Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We're here in beautiful downtown Aurora, Colorado. Got a lot of projects in Aurora. Let me show what we're looking at right here. This is a house they've dried in already. Aurora code, Denver code requires we run a ice and water shield up 2 feet inside of the outside wall. It's crazy that sounds. Then we've got the synthetic here. This house has got 1x6 planks instead of plywood. That's easy to work with. We're gonna move a vent that was on the front to the back here and move that vent up higher to the ridge where it should be. They're doing some peel and stick modified bitumen on the flat section there. They're about halfway through that. That's the base sheet they've put on. Cap sheet will come on next after they put the drip edge on. But this is a easy project. These guys will knock this thing out in one day. See, the yard's kept nice and clean. Once again, these guys are great at keeping everything clean. That's what it looks like. This is Sean Ben with APC Roofing. You guys be kind to each other.